In Islam, marriage is not just a social contract but a sacred covenant blessed by Allah. It is seen as a fundamental part of faith and a means to create a loving, compassionate, and stable family unit. Marriage offers spiritual, emotional, and practical support, helping individuals to complete half of their faith and live in harmony according to divine principles.
A Muslim marriage is built upon mutual respect, kindness, and clear understanding between husband and wife. The process begins with the nikah, a simple yet profound ceremony where vows are exchanged in the presence of witnesses, affirming the couple's commitment to each other before God. Unlike the extravagance often seen elsewhere, Islam emphasizes modesty and sincerity, reminding us that it is the bond, not the celebration, that truly matters.
In a Muslim household, marriage thrives on mercy and communication. Both partners are urged to consult one another, show patience, and fulfill each other's rights with fairness and love. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, set the finest example, teaching that the best of you are those who are best to their wives. Thus, marriage in Islam is a partnership of equals, where both husband and wife are garments to each other, protecting, beautifying, and comforting one another.
In today's world, Muslim marriage continues to inspire many with its timeless values of devotion, loyalty, and shared purpose. It is a bond that brings hearts together, nurtures families, and strengthens communities. Through faith, respect, and compassion, marriage remains a powerful act of worship and a path to lasting peace and joy.